A teenager in Clayton is getting a lot of attention for all the right reasons.
Yeah, this is 13-year-old Kolby. He's from Clayton. While trick-or-treating, he came across a house whose candy jar had run out of candy. So he decided to take matters into his own hands, or his own bucket, and tossed a bunch of his own candy into the empty bucket for others to take.
I just saw like the bucket of candy. I was like, okay, well, there's nothing in there. Might as well just put some in there. I just figured, nah, some of the smaller kids might still be out. Might as well give them a chance.
Give them a chance. I love that. Kolby says he also thought his gesture would be helpful to the homeowners. His mom calls this a proud mama moment and says he often does this kind of thing for people when nobody's watching.
Good job, Kolby.